Okay, here we go on number 9. Now, there's a lot of information in this, but honestly, we don't need to worry too much about this. It's not too difficult once we realize what it's asking. So Madeline wants to create a scale drawing of a room. The room is rectangular with a length of 24 feet and a width of 18 feet. That's important information. Now they also say that the scale drawing needs to fit on a piece of paper that's 8.5 by 7 inches. Well, that's exactly what we have here. If we look at the fact that they give us 1 inch is 2 squares, well, there's 17 squares here. That's 8.5 inches. And there's 14 squares here. That's 7 inches. So they've already given us that. We don't need to worry about calculating anything with the size of the paper. That's just what this is. She also wants the drawing to be at least 4 inches wide and long. So what that's saying is we want at least 4 of these, or 8 squares, to be taking up that space. Well, that really gives us a lot of information. If we draw a line that is 4 inches long, or 8 of these, that's going to take up about half the paper. Now, if we think about 4 inches going into either of these, we could get pretty close to what kind of scale we are going to use. So as a matter of fact, if I put in 4 feet as our scale here, they kind of gave us the answer. Watch this. If 1 inch is 4 feet, well, if we start here and go, there's 4 feet, 8 feet, 12 feet, 16 feet, and then we just do half of that for the last 2 feet, that's 18 feet right there. And then if we do the same thing coming down, if we start, if I could move this back up to where I had it, it's being a little finicky on me now. Then if we start here and start going, here's 4 feet, 8 feet, 12 feet, 16 feet, 20 feet, and then another 2 squares, there's 24 feet right there. So that was kind of easy. We have right here 18 feet, and we have right here 24 feet. And we can just finish our rectangle. See if I can actually draw this correctly here. Okay, I'm having a little trouble with my annotations here, but there's our 24 feet. So then if we can just draw the rest of this rectangle going across, there we go. So with a scale of 4 feet per inch, we've got 18 feet and 24 feet. And it was just really in the answer here of at least 4 inches. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4.5 inches on that, and of course this is going to be longer going that way. So there's your answer. 4 feet per inch. 18 by 24 gives us our rectangular room. Easy.